If you're tired of low-quality extracts and inconsistent results, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best hydraulic rosin presses I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. 5 10 tons heat press machine. Let's kick things off with the 5 10 tons heat press machine from Generic, priced at $220.99. What caught my eye was its dual heating plates and the promise of high efficiency. If you want consistent, high-quality extracts, this is worth a serious look. This machine features a powerful 5-ton pressure system, which is crucial because it allows for better heat press efficiency. You get dual aluminum heating plates that heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit in minutes, perfect for ensuring even heat distribution. That means no more scorching or uneven results. You can confidently use it for resins, waxes, and even fabric sublimation. Plus, it has a digital LCD screen for precise temperature and timer settings, so you can set it and forget it. Honestly, for beginners and pros alike, this safety feature with built-in overheat protection is a must-have. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit compact. Here's the thing though, if you're working in a smaller space, this actually saves you room without compromising on performance. Just make sure you have a sturdy surface to place it on. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable, space-saving machine for both personal and small business use. Skip this one if you're after something larger for extensive commercial operations. For the price, it's a great deal. Now, if that machine's compact size worried you, the next one takes a completely different approach with a more robust design. Product number 2, 5-ton portable hydraulic heat press machine. The 5-ton portable hydraulic heat press machine by D9A91 coming in at $195. What stands out here is its portability without sacrificing power. If you're looking for something strong yet easy to move around, this is a solid option. This press has a durable body made of high-quality alloy steel, which means it's built to last. With a powerful manual hydraulic jack that can handle up to 5 tons of pressure, you're getting industrial-strength performance. The double heating plates are 6061 aluminum, ensuring uniform heat distribution, critical for achieving the best extraction results. The smart LCD screen allows you to set temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can tailor your settings to whatever you're pressing. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The precise temperature control helps prevent degradation of your materials while extracting. Now, some users pointed out that the setup process can be a bit tricky at first, but I'll be real with you. Once you get past that initial learning curve, it's pretty straightforward. Just take your time and you'll be fine. This is ideal for home users who want something portable but still effective. Skip this one if you need a more heavy-duty option for larger projects. For the price, you're getting great value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need higher pressure. Product number 3, 10-ton hydraulic heat press machine. The third on our list is the 10-ton hydraulic heat press machine, priced at $289.99. The first thing that caught my eye was its impressive 10-ton pressure capacity. If you're serious about your craft and need maximum efficiency, this is definitely worth your attention. With a robust 10-ton hydraulic jack, this machine provides the highest pressure in our lineup, which translates to better extraction yields. It's equipped with dual heating plates that heat up quickly, reaching temperatures of 400 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to work faster without compromising quality. The built-in smart LCD control lets you set exact times and temperatures essential to getting the best out of your materials. The safety features are a bonus, ensuring you can operate it with peace of mind. However, it is on the larger side, and some users noted that it may not fit easily in smaller workspaces. Here's the thing though, if you're committed to producing high-quality extracts, the size is worth it for the additional power and efficiency it offers. This is perfect if you have a dedicated workspace or are running a small business. Skip this one if you need something easily transportable. With its price and features, it's a great investment for serious users. Now, if you're keen on something more compact without sacrificing too much power, the next product is definitely one to check out. Product number 4, 5-ton portable hydraulic heat press machine. We have the 5-ton portable hydraulic heat press machine from Aliexpress, retailing for $349.99. What grabbed my attention was its dual temperature controllers, which provide greater versatility. If you want precise control over your extraction process, you'll want to hear more about this. This press has replaceable and reliable pumps designed for minimal effort and lifting, which is great if you're doing a lot of pressing. The dual heating plates allow you to control the temperature of the top and bottom plates separately, so you can fine-tune your process for different materials. The intelligent LED screen is another highlight, displaying clear temperature readings up to 399 degrees Fahrenheit. This feature is critical because it allows you to avoid damaging your delicate materials. However, some users mentioned that the price is a bit steep compared to others on this list. Here's my take. The extra features and quality make it a worthwhile investment if you plan on using it regularly. This is perfect for anyone who values precision in their extraction process. Skip this one if you're just looking for casual, infrequent use. Considering its features, you're paying for quality and precision. Now, if you're on a budget but still want something reliable, the final product might catch your eye. Product number 5, 5-ton hydraulic heat press machine. We have the 5-ton hydraulic heat press machine by YIIFI FET, priced at $199.50. I was drawn to its auto temperature adjustment feature, which is a real time saver. If you want something simple yet effective, keep listening. This machine comes equipped with double heating plates that can handle up to 5 tons of pressure, making it suitable for a variety of applications. The solid fuselage is made of imported stainless steel, ensuring durability. The LCD panel allows for easy temperature adjustments, which is great for users who prefer convenience. The ability to set the temperature based on what you're pressing is a feature I genuinely appreciate. However, some users noted that the temperature control accuracy has a slight error margin. Here's the thing. While that's something to consider, for most home users, it shouldn't significantly impact your results. This is perfect for beginners or those on a budget who still want a reliable machine. Skip this one if you need very precise temperature control for sensitive materials. For the price, it's a fantastic entry-level option. Now, let's wrap up with a quick comparison of all 5 machines. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the 10-ton hydraulic heat press machine because it really is the best for maximizing extraction efficiency. Avoid the Aliexpress if you're not looking to spend that much on a first-time press. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.